Hey everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Welcome to our 10-day at-home yoga challenge. I am so happy that you are here. If you are brand new to yoga, trust that you are in the right place. I have your back. And if you are not new to yoga, welcome and get ready to move. Today is day 0, so this video serves as an orientation video to help prepare both our mind and body for movement throughout our 10-day yoga challenge. I felt that not only would this be a really great way in which we could settle on into our 10-day challenge, but it would also serve as a really great way to settle into the new year. Speaking of the new year, we tend to create New Year's resolutions or even goals for ourselves. So feel free to let me know what your New Year's resolution is in the comment section down below this video, as I would love to hear from you. In this challenge, we investigate beginner-friendly yoga postures. You will also learn some key vocabulary that can help you develop a strong at-home yoga practice. In this challenge, we build strength, improve mobility throughout our entire body, we connect to our breath, we challenge our balance, engage in creative and playful ways to move on our mat, and so on. For this challenge, I invite you to wear comfortable clothes. You can even wear your PJs if you would like. I even have one practice in store for us where I invite you to wear some socks, so it'll be super comfy and cozy. That's what I really feel is the beauty of an at-home yoga practice. It's one of the main benefits. You can wear whatever you would like to wear. You can literally roll out of bed and just start doing yoga. It is important to note that you do not need a yoga mat in order to participate. You can practice yoga on a hard surface. However, if you do choose that option, I do encourage you to bring a blanket, a pillow, or perhaps even a towel with you to the practice, just to pad the knees as well as the hands. And if you do have yoga blocks available, you can bring them along to our practices together. And if you do not have one, you can always use a similar sized object, such as a very thick book. Now, with all that in mind, you do not need to have any of these items. Really and truly, all that you need is your beautiful self as well as your breath. Wherever you are right now, I invite you to sit up nice and tall, growing tall through the spine. Bring your hands to heart in prayer position and bow your head, dropping your chin towards your chest. Feel free to close your eyes, or you can soften the gaze, looking directly past your nose. Allow the breath to find its own natural rhythm. And while we are here, I invite you to consider your intention for this 10-day yoga challenge. In other words, what brought you here? Perhaps you are looking to build strength and flexibility in the body. Perhaps you are here to learn a little bit more about yoga and the different postures. Perhaps you are here because you wanted to start off 2021 with some movement. There is no right or wrong answer, just something to think about and consider. Breathe in through our nose and then empty it out through the mouth. All right, open up your eyes if you had them closed. Hands can fall to your lap and just take a moment to notice how you feel. Day 1 of this challenge starts on January 1st at 6 a.m. Toronto time. Feel free to drop in whenever you can and I will meet you there. I look forward to connecting with each and every single one of you throughout this challenge and also throughout this entire year. Thank you so very much for listening to this. If you do have any questions, feel free to pop them into the comment section below this video. Take good care, everyone, and namaste.